Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chef Laura 6. Work's been ultra busy lately and I haven't had time to update this channel at all. Today's video would be slightly different. I'm sharing with you how I meal prep to make sure I eat somewhat healthily during the week. I will also show you 2 different sauces to pair with salmon, so you can make 2 different dishes in one go. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. My videos are subtitled in both English and Chinese, just click the captions button on screen. I also post bilingual recipes on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is cheflaura6, which is also linked in the description box below. Let's start with marinating some cucumber. This is my favorite go-to appetizer or vegetables to pair with different meals. It's super easy and you can keep them in the fridge for at least a week long. Chop the cucumber up into small bite-sized pieces, then add in white dashi, shoyu, rice vinegar, and sugar. Give it a nice shake and you're all set. Next up, prepare some rice. This is a combination of brown and jasmine rice, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Cut off some corn off the cob, then break the cob into 2. Add all these to the rice pot. I'm also adding in maitake mushroom, which has a unique flavor to it. I love the taste of it, but it's probably not for everybody. Finally, add a dash of soy sauce and let the rice soak for 15 minutes before cooking. I also have some green beans and broccoli at home and thought I'd add them to the lunch boxes. I cut the ends of the beans and cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Prepare a hot pot of water, add a pinch of salt, and cook the beans and broccoli separately for a minute or 2. For the beans, I'm going to make 2 dishes. I dice a few stalks up into small pieces to fry eggs. The rest I'll cut them into 5 cm long pieces to make miso green beans. For the miso green beans, all you need to do is add a spoonful of miso, and I used shoyu koji here, but a dash of soy sauce and some sugar would also do the trick. Mix it all up and you can eat this hot or cold. This can be kept in the fridge in an airtight container for around 3 to 4 days. Next up, let's prepare the salmon. Cut it into small cubes, then season with salt and pepper lightly. Then, we'll prepare the 2 sauces to go with the salmon. The list of ingredients is now on screen. I usually taste as I go when I make these sauces. If you're eating this fresh, you can choose to bake or pan fry your salmon, then coat them with these sauces and let it cook for a little longer. Now we're all set to start cooking the salmon. Once the pan is hot, place the salmon in and cook each side for about a minute or 2. And then remove them from heat. Use the same pan to thicken the sauces, then add the salmon back in and coat them evenly with the sauce. Do the same with the gochujang sauce. Add the remaining salmon in, coat it evenly, and then you're all set. Next up, I quickly fried some eggs with green beans. This would be a great side dish. Now that the rice is ready, feel free to add a slab of butter in before mixing it up if you're eating this fresh. Since I was having these in the next couple of days, I decided it would be best not to. Now that we're done cooking everything, it's time to fit them all in the Tupperware. And ta-da, we're done! 4 lunch boxes done in less than an hour. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed meal prepping with me. If you liked this video, please do hit that subscribe button and click that bell. Follow me on Instagram for more recipes and updates. I'll see you next time.